Hello and welcome to the short presentation of our app, Donate a Plate, aimed to tackle the expanding food crisis imposed by COVID-19 on the people of Africa. I, Chandrachud, together with my teammate Rohit, as 12th grade high school students from Vidyaniketan and Malya Aditi in Bangalore, India, have designed and fully implemented the app, designed for Android and built with Android Studio, coded in Java, Kotlin and XML, and deployed on the Gradle framework.
Today, we want to bring your attention to a major food crisis that has been happening in the sub-Saharan region of Africa in the past decade. Successive crop failures, poor harvests in regions like Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique have taken a major toll in agricultural production. In the past 3 growing seasons, parts of southern Africa have experienced their lowest rainfall since 1981. Other areas have suffered widespread destruction from 2 major cyclones in March and April of 2019, which just occurred before the time of their harvesting. These dire events have left 237 million sub-Saharan Africans chronically undernourished, which is more than any other region in the world. This amounts to more than 25% of that region's population. To add on to this, various armed conflicts such as the 2012 war in Somalia has starved 260,000 people to death, including the death of 133,000 children under the age of 5. Amidst all these problems, the onset of the pandemic has made things from bad to worse. COVID-19 is severely disrupting both food supply and demand. From farmers to processors to truck drivers, all workers of the food industry are forced to stay at home either due to quarantine or illness. In a continent where 80% of the food consumed is produced by small-scale farmers, food insecurity is going to double this year to about 400 million people across the continent. And with classes shut down, over tens of millions of children have lost the meals and snacks they normally received in school. Instead of the coronavirus, hunger will kill us has now become a popular slogan among the people of Africa.
Now, how does Donate a Plate aim to tackle this massive food crisis? Every year, an estimated 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted globally, amounting to $2.6 trillion annually, which is more than enough to feed all 815 million hungry people in the world 10 times over. Although inefficient consumer habits are contributors, the majority of food waste comes from supply chain, majorly constituting distributors, retailers, and restaurants. Donate a Plate allows local restaurants, supermarkets, as well as individual donors to donate daily or weekly the excess unused food by setting up highly customizable donations through the app. In addition, NGOs and other charity organizations can view and sort nearby donations for pickup by requesting donations from the donors through the app. The entire system allows feasible communication between the two entities directly through the app and also allocates points for each successful donation calculated based on distance, food weight, etc. And users can view monthly leaderboards to see how their social work stacks up against other users. Since NGOs largely depend upon donations from the general public to carry out food drives and other programs, Donate a Plate allows for cost-free accumulation of food by such organizations, drastically reducing their dependence on outsourcing money collection. Moreover, since the app acts as an efficient link between such organizations already implemented with a powerful algorithm implemented by us, it is largely scalable to all parts of the world and has virtually no constraints to its influence and reach.